Hi, good morning. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Sanilin Aguilar. I'm 37 years old. I'm single. I have 5 kids.
Do you have live-in partner?
Yes, I have living partner.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
Uh, 4 brothers.
You don't have sister?
No.
Okay. What is your education?
High school graduate.
Can you tell me about your working experience before?
Served I have 4 years in the Philippines. I have 2 kids. I have 2 kids. I do
You do all the
cooking,
household chores? Okay.
cooking and washing clothes. And
Your experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid 4 years, right?
yes.
Okay. Why do you want to come to abroad?
Money and financial and supporting my family.
Okay, if you go to abroad, who will take care of your children?
My my husband and my mother.
Your live-in
I
partner?
live in partner.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No. Yes.
Are,
Yes, no.
okay. Any food doesn't it? Are you allergic to any food?
Uh, I'm allergic in crab only.
Okay. What food can you cook?
Uh, Filipino
Filipino food only?
Filipino only and
Are you willing to learn how to cook
yes, I'm
to
willing to
any?
learn.
Okay. Okay, lastly. Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes, I have tattoo
Which
in
part?
left and right.
Hands? In
Hands
your
on
hands?
hands and
Okay. What is your message to your future employer to hire you?
to my future employer. I hired me as a worker. Honest and hardworking.
Can you promise to finish your 3 years contract?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.